Welcome back to our cabin build project. This spring has been absolutely beautiful. We've loved every minute of the snowless Minnesota so far this spring. We spent our time preparing more tongue and groove boards to bring to the cabin. Last time we were at the cabin, we installed some tongue and groove boards on the walls, and they were not finished, but it really changed the cabin already. This next set of boards we are bringing, we actually did go ahead and put a polyacrylic finish on it so that we don't have to finish all of the boards in the cabin, especially the ones we're putting in the bedroom. Cory did a lot of this. In this video, I was unable to go to the cabin as I had other work projects going on, but Cory and the kids went up for the weekend, and surprise, it snowed.
What do you think?
It's very pretty when it's winter, but yet it's kind of cold.
Don't mind me, just have to get into some trouble.
For having like a little heat wave just a couple days ago.
It's cold. Snow.
We're out though.
Yeah, my shittiest.
There's a little So we ran into a little bit of a problem. Our Colt got into another porcupine again. So for like what, the third or fourth time? So it's like in everywhere. So now that's probably gonna take up most of our weekend, is just trying to get these out, because we kind of put lives before, the cabin, as everybody should.
Nora, it's
So
kind of a thing that they kind of do. They see something moving slow enough, they'll go and target it.
You haven't learned yet, huh, Colt?
and he's an experienced dad, so
He used to do this to my teeth.
oh no, he didn't. Okay. He's gotten hit by porcupines a couple other times,
I can get him good.
and we did the same exact thing, which is just trying to pull them out. But on the way here, he kept on dragging his face on the snow.
No, so I look back and he looked like he was snorting snow. His face was in it. And he pulls his face out and it's just that he looks like an old man with their little speckly beard. So I have in my back.
A little bit chilly, but
Yeah.
because the fire isn't started yet, but it's very
Nora, go grab the treats in my backpack.
warm without the fire. So, what treats, Ethan? This is like a go along with Nora type of trip. See, Jody would have the camera right now, but she's busy and sadly wasn't able to make it up. So, now I am kind of in charge. We'll try our best to update you guys. I don't know if you guys watched the other video, you should have, but they put up these nice boards for the walls. Super nice. Yeah. The update is really surprising, because I was looking back at pictures when we first started, and it was just a tiny little platform, just the floor. And now we started to do the inside, which is really surprising, because I think it's kind of been either a year or kind of under a year. But so really surprising, but it's really cool to realize that we built this with practically no help except for our family.
Clamp off, yank. Yes, good job. Good boy.
There's a little fort that me and my cousins built.
Okay, cool. Yeah, we just go. Yep, breathe like that. It's okay, okay, buddy? Yeah, it's okay. We just gotta get all them porcupine quills out, otherwise you're gonna swallow them, they're gonna be stuck in your throat. Okay? It hurts. A lot of things hurt in this world.
What's the plan?
We'll go see if we can find a vet. If not, we'll be back to Pliers.
So, me and Ethan have convinced him to go to the vet. Because they're like not trying to give anybody like bad dreams or anything, but they're like in the back of his throat. And we can't really get them because he's not really letting us. So,
If you guys know where there's a trank gun or something for sale, let us know. We probably need it for that big guy.
and it doesn't help when he's, how much does he weigh?
A little bit over 100 pounds.
Probably 100 pounds.
So that's what we're doing. We're gonna go back to the vet. We're not back to the vet, to the vet. We just got back from being inside the vet, and
Cool.
he's like, cool. What did you think, Ethan?
It was kind of crazy seeing how many quills he pulled out of Colt's face.
So he got back from the vet and he's a little bit loopy. So this is what we had to do. How's the ride?
Not too bad. I got my big cuddly bear in here.
Yeah, sometimes I think he loves that dog more than us.
Alright, we gotta remove the bed frame before we can put the walls on.
He's getting a little bit out of it. Yeah. Yeah, you keep on tipping forwards, huh?
Look at you.
Want to say hi? No. Yeah, I got him to sit down. She did not want to sit down.
There's your bag.
So what's your plan now?
Alright, the plan. Got the generator going. We're going to start chopping boards to length after we build a workbench to put the chops on and build a wall.
I know your face so well, but I can tell that it's changing. I know when you lie there still that you've just been resting. We get along so well, but I see that we're changing. We've got a long way down till we're 60 years old. We've got a long way down till we can stand at all. I know your body so well, but I can tell that it's changing. You bring me heaven where there used to be hell. I know you do.
What are we doing right now?
Alright, so somebody's bright idea was a rope ladder to get into the loft. So we have a rope ladder. And now just trying to temporarily put some hooks up here to try it out. See if the kids can even climb a ladder. We will see.
Rude. That'll be like a comedy show for you guys.
I'll make sure I hit record.
Okay, that's the ladder. The wood matches our walls, right?
Sure. Yeah. Looks like it does.
Yeah, and we
Found ourselves a
got...
Christmas tree.
We don't need a Christmas tree, Ethan.
Well, now we have one.
No. But we got... Or Dad got the walls, or this one wall done. But... Yeah. We got the fire going pretty good. I can feel it from like right here, and that's like a while away. A ways away. And the fire. So peaceful just watching it. But what are you doing right now?
Kindling.
So we are going to try the ladder. I'm probably gonna die.
Nah.
I feel like this isn't safe. This should not be safe.
Muscles.
It's something that I don't have.
Climb, little one.
I can't climb. I can reach the floor. I'm happy to be back on the floor again. You're trying. Ethan. That just popped off there.
No side.
That last one over there might be really short, but
So if you wiggle on it, it's definitely gonna let loose. So you gotta be nice and smooth.
my video for me going up there. So that more easier?
I don't know about a lot easier, but
Easier.
it might be possible for you.
Okay.
At least until we get to those 2x6s.
Oh yeah, I couldn't maybe. Well, I couldn't get this last step though. This last one. That last one is gonna be like troubling because I feel like we need like another one like right where that where the hooks are.
Well, maybe we'll have to think about it.
Because I can't get up here and then like stand completely up. It might work.
What do you think?
Comfy.
Comfy?
Want some water?
Like you can sleep in Colt's bed and Colt and we will sleep up here.
Yeah. So we got paneling most of the way around now. Colt's moving around, but still not entirely with it.
He'll like be standing, and then as he's standing, he'll be like.
Yep.
So he'll practically tip over. See, goofy.
Good morning. How did you sleep?
Tired.
A lot better than I thought I would. Which is good.
What's the plan for today?
So we're gonna go to our grandma's or our great grandma's to get some breakfast and then visit for, I don't know, maybe a little bit. And then we're probably gonna go watch a movie. You know, fun things. But we're gonna pack up and head out right now.
I know. It's okay. Yes, we'll be going pretty soon, buddy.
How's Colt feeling?
It looks like he's back doing his normal whiny self in the
Yep.
morning.
Whining and crabbing. in the morning.
What's the matter? What's the matter, huh?
How did you
Blood in
sleep,
your
Dad?
mouth?
I slept pretty good.
That's good.
It was really warm last night, and then never filled the fires. Stayed relatively warm until this morning.
Good boy.
It's a nice even 45 degrees at this point, but just motivation to get going.